Hello, today we're going to do the single crochet 2 together decrease. This decrease is ideal for amigurumi, where you really want a tighter decrease stitch that doesn't have the same hole that you sometimes see with a single crochet decrease because you don't want the stuffing to stick through on a little amigurumi toy. And it is worked very similar to a traditional single crochet 2 together, but with this decrease, instead of working through the entire stitch the way you do with a traditional single crochet 2 together, you're only going to go through the front loop. And you can see I just have the front strand of that stitch on my hook. So I'm going to go through the front loop of that stitch, and I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop, and then I'm going to go through the front loop only of the second stitch, and I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop. So I have 3 loops on the hook, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through all the loops to close up that single crochet stitch. I'm going to single crochet 1 stitch over, and you can see when I lay this down how nice and tight that decrease is. So this is going to be a much tighter stitch, and it's going to keep your stuffing from showing through on an amigurumi. Let's do that one more time. You're going to work through the front loop only of the first stitch. So front loop only, yarn over, pull up a loop. Front loop only of the second stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Then yarn over and pull through all 3. I'm going to single crochet 1 more, and then we're going to do it one more time. Front loop only, yarn over, pull up a loop. Front loop only, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And that is the alternative single crochet 2 together stitch. Perfect for your amigurumi projects.